If you are looking for a quality heating or air conditioning unit and repair company, let Performance Engineering be your #1 choice. We are a locally owned, full-service HVAC contractor servicing residential, commercial and industrial clients. Located in the Metro Detroit area, Performance Engineering has over 20 years of technical know-how and experience to service virtually any heating, cooling and ventilation systems you have or need. Our expert personnel specialize in the service and repair of all manufacturers and models of modern and legacy heating and cooling systems. We are members of the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating, as well as an A rating on Angie's List, so you can put your trust in the dependable, certified professionals at Performance Engineering to take care of your HVAC needs from start to finish. Visit our website for more information, or call us now for a free estimate or 24-hour emergency service.